Hello, please get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go!
Time to equip the magical item. If you quit now, you won't be able to get... Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. Welcome!
Choose a shopping cart. Next, let's go buy what we need together. School bag. Notebook.
I have
Pencil box. Pillow. Quilt.
put the items here.
Put the money into the coin slot.
Thank you for helping me get everything I need. I've bought everything I need. Let's get on the bus. Hello, BabyBus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the photo studio. Let's go.
Let's go take a photo.
Welcome.
Could you take my photo?
Okay, what kind of photos do you want? Photo for kindergarten admission. Portrait photo. Portrait photo. All right, let's go change clothes first.
I want to wear a nice outfit for my photo shoot. Please help me pick one. Tap the camera to take a picture.
What a nice picture.
Thanks. Wow, these clothes are so cool. Try them on for me. Tap the camera to take a picture of me.
That's a nice shot.
Thanks! I've taken the photo. Let's go! Hello, BabyBus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the hospital. Let's go! I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
BabyBus, go!
Let's go get a physical checkup.
Check the listening. Listen to the sound and guess the animal.
Kitten. Cow.
Duck.
Thanks.
Check the weight and height. Mew Mew weighs 14 kilograms. Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it. Stamp on the numbers.
Mew Mew's height, 83 centimeters.
Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it. Stamp on the numbers. Check the eyesight. Drag the magnifying glass and find the patterns. Yes, you found the pattern. Yes, you found the pattern. You found all of them. You've got very good eyesight.
Thanks.
Check the heart rate. Place them based on their colors. Yes, that's the right place. Tap the button to match the color. Nope, look again. Yes, that's it. The check is finished. Your heart rate is normal.